drive to work and look at the clouds. It's so cute. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's really cool. Look at the traffic here, guys, in the morning, Monday morning. Very traffic and there's road works. Guys, hapon, gabi na dire. Alas 5:30 sa gabi, sa hapon. Tanawa ra ko ng clouds. Oh, pink kaayo. No? Ano kayong clouds? Pink kaayo. Alas 5:30 na dire sa hapon. Ano kayong clouds? Mag-init ni ugma pohon. Nindot sa clouds.
Give you my heart.